Yo, we all know the flashy side of hip-hop, but this is the other side. I'm Cypher Sounds, and this is Rappers and Rides Running Errands.
Cypher, what's happening, man? I need a ride, I need a ride.
What's happening?
What's up, bro?
Cypher, what it do, man, dude? Yeah, today, man, you see I got hella man. We gotta make this promotional run, send the off, man. Nigga got merch, this hey, I got going overseas everywhere, bro. We gotta get the out, man. I need a ride. Where you go?
Luniz just jumped in the whip. What is all this stuff?
It's promotional, you know what I mean? You know, we got vape pens in this, vape kits, we got albums.
What is this for fans and stuff?
This is fans,
everything
yeah. This fans. No, that's they order. This is they order, man.
And you do it yourself?
Yeah. I ain't like you, Cypher. We ain't rich like you. You
I
got
ain't
like a
rich.
squad, son.
I like the
I
indie
pack
game,
all
bro.
this up myself, man.
What other errands y'all do like on a regular, like what's your regular day?
A lot of studio time, the gym, taking kids on auditions.
Children,
Both my kids are signed to agencies.
Grocery stores.
You go grocery shopping yourself?
Costco, yeah, all day. I'm a Costco maniac, bro.
What, you say Costco?
Yeah.
What?
Wait, you go to those stores with you get the 12?
The bulk.
Or the bulk?
Yeah, I have kids. I got 4 kids. You know how much top ramen, 24, like the 100 pack of ramens I got stacked up.
Once a week.
Couple of noodles and
like,
man,
you
I
ready for
got
the end of
frosted
the
flakes,
yeah.
the big one, like the
don't know what's
one that
going
hold
on
like
right now?
2 packs of the frosted flakes. Yes, it's serious, man.
Yeah.
That's where the only place you can get the big can of Kool-Aid from. I mean, hey, man, you got kids, man. You gotta live, bro.
This the post office?
Man.
Yeah, it's post office
yeah,
right
the post
around
office right there,
All
bro.
right.
All right, I'm gonna deliver this. You hop in the front, you take over this, man. I gotta get my thing going.
Are we good? Yeah.
All right.
Come on, let's go.
Man, all right, package is out.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Good to
Thank
go,
you for
man.
taking us, man.
Thank you, bro.
That's what I'm here
Appreciate
for.
that, man.
Appreciate it.
You know,
Right,
gotta
Aaron.
ride with the boss.
I can't look in the mirror because your teeth keep glaring. I can't see
Oh, wow.
No, I'm saying what? How, do you go to the dentist?
Huh?
You go to
Do
the
we go to
dentist?
the
with
dentist?
Yeah, go to the dentist. What you talking about?
How is that covered?
I had to pay for this, brother. It comes out though.
Oh,
This
okay.
didn't come out, bro. I gotta go to church. You know, sometimes go to court. Gotta go to court.
Gotta
Child
go to
support
court. Hell yeah.
You can't. If you
Right.
go to court with this on,
No, yeah.
you get remanded with a $50,000 bill, bro.